Hi everyone, my name is Jeff again. I am from theboxmen.com, where we have changed the way that you should watch TV. Our website, or my website, is www.theboxxmen.com. I am with theboxmen.com, and in this video, we're going to take a look at how to delete images and other files from your Formuler devices right away. If this is your first time tuning in to our YouTube channel, which is called The Stream Machines, we take the difficult things of streaming and help you one video at a time. Now, most people use their media devices sparingly. And what I mean is we get caught up on specifications. So most people like a lot of memory because they equate a lot of memory with less buffering or other issues that really have nothing to do with the memory, right? Having the most memory on a media device doesn't equate that you're going to have the best experience, but having more memory does equate that if you want to install different applications, games, or anything else, having enough memory without worrying about it running out is really helpful. Another reason where memory comes into play is if you like to record, save things, and watch them later. Hence the Formuler device. This is the Z11 Pro Max, and at the moment, this manufacturer, Formuler, does not allow you to use your internal memory to record. It requires you to have external memory. Now, I've heard through the grapevine that this year that is going to change. And when that is finalized, you'll be the first to know because I'll probably be the second to know. But right now, having a good file manager to manage your files, your photos, your recordings is optimal. It's beneficial because right now we're in a place in streaming where more and more people want to have it more of an entertainment experience. I used to say a cable experience, but I'm just dating myself, okay? Most of my kids don't even like cable. They don't even know what that is, including my grandchildren. So having a good application that can manage your files, including your internal memory and including your external memory, is awesome. And every device that I've seen has a good app store, an okay app store, and Formuler is no different. This app store is called Market here. As I press OK on the Market, I'm going to go all the way down on the left where it says Utilities. I'll push to the right, and I was just on the TV File Commander. I'm going to go over here. If you go down, you'll see that File Commander is a powerful file manager that allows you to handle any file on your Android device, cloud storage, or network location via a clean and intuitive interface. Okay? Libraries, pictures, music, videos. So I'm going to install this. And I've been using this for about 60 days or a little bit longer, 65 days on another device, and I think it's really good and very easy. It gives you the ability to show you what's on your internal memory, your expanded memory, so on and so forth. So as I go ahead and open this, I'm going to let it open. It'll say, welcome to File Commander, browse files, view photos, other cool tools, NOI storage, connect to PC. So you want to hit the continue button. And then to get the most out of File Commander, add your photo and video location. So cloud, FTP server, if you have an FTP server, local network, your computer, or I can go not now. So I'll do not now. Now, as you can see, I have an internal storage. Let me allow. I gotta have allow. They have a premium, which I'll take a look in a moment. And then they have your internal storage. That's my Transcend SD card. I have plenty of free space because I have this habit of just deleting things right away. If I have any pictures or downloads or favorites or videos, they would be there. If I'm going to do a PC file transfer, we would do it from here. And I'll do that in another video. But let's say I wanted to get rid of something off my internal storage. I would highlight internal storage and press OK. And then it has the different ones. You got alarms, Android, audiobooks, DCIM. download. What's in download? There's downloader right there. And then I had a zip file from yesterday, which I'm going to do a video on Elementum, on how to put that on a Kodi browser, on a Kodi app. Elementum is really, really great. I really like that application. I think you will too. If I go back, since there's something in download, it lets me manage things that are here. So if I had anything in music or movies, there's nothing there. But if you start storing things, you can really categorize it and get the most out of it, okay? So if I wanted to get rid of that APK or anything like that, I can definitely do it. This is how you would really be able to manage your internal storage on a Formuler device, and it's a free app. Now, what happens with Premium? Let me click on that. Premium is $4.99 a month. Try it for free, $2.49 per month. I think it's $29.99 a year. But this gives you the ability, if you're going to use this exclusively, if you're going to go to the cloud drive, convert files, recycle them, connect to your PC. Most people don't do that, but if they're trying to get some pictures off of their PC to this, it makes it a little bit easier if you can transfer from your personal computer, laptop, so on and so forth, files here, whether it be an iPad, an Apple, or an Android tablet, even your phone. I'm pretty sure if it's on the same network that this is on, then it's beneficial to do so. All right. So I would look for something. Maybe you have a different internal storage, but TV File Commander works very, very well, and it's absolutely free on Formuler devices. And this is what you would do and use to manage your files, your photos, and all that. And so I really love it, and I think you will too. As I go ahead and close out this very short video, I'd love to hear from you guys if you guys do use a file manager system, which one that is. Also, I really appreciate you guys coming to our website this upcoming month, mid-month. We are going to be giving away 2 Z11 Pro Maxes. We're in a giving mood. It's time to get back to giving back to people that subscribe and follow us, because I greatly appreciate a follow, a comment, the love that I've been shown. So this is the perfect way for you to do it. Use the free application, TV File Commander. I think you'll be very, very impressed with it. I'd love to hear what you guys think. Hey, check out the description of the video. There's some links about some different devices that I think you guys are going to like. And if you don't, pass it on to someone who will. We have the best prices, we have the best support, and we look forward to serving you. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.